Now, we get to the point where we need to have a list of items that should be clickable, and the click should take us to the certain details page. Let's create a short demo code. In the index.js file in the news folder, we will render an unordered list. Each element of the list on click should take us to the correct details page. In a regular HTML, to construct a link, we should wrap the list element in anchor tag and initialize the href attribute. The same will work in React and Next.js project. You will be taken to the specified location from the href. But when using this approach, when clicking on the list item and while navigation, if you observe the refresh button of the browser, you can see that for a short period of time it changes to an cross icon. This means that the browser sends new requests and loads new HTML. This will work in Next.js project, but it is not the best option. When using this approach, we are not having a single page application, but we are always requesting a new page from the backend wherever the user navigates around. In the reload, we will lose any state that we have stored, and that should not be the case in single-page applications. To prevent this, we should import the link component from NextLink. Using this link component is simple, and you can simply replace the anchor tag with the link tag, leaving the href prop because the link expects the href prop. When we test this case and then navigation using the link component, we can see that the refresh button never changes to a cross icon, which means that the page is not sending a request to load new HTML. The link component that we used renders an anchor element, but it watches for clicks and prevents the browser default of sending a new request that requires a new HTML page. It will load the new component and change the URL that looks like you have changed the page, whilst in reality the user stays in the single page application. By leveraging Next.js built-in navigation capabilities, you can enhance the overall usability and responsiveness of your application. Creating intuitive and seamless navigation experiences is crucial for engaging users and delivering an enjoyable browsing experience. So, go ahead and leverage the power of Next.js to create links between pages in your application, ensuring a smooth and efficient user journey.